Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can fix this critical process died right here. So how you can fix this error. So this doesn't matter if you have Windows 11 or Windows 10, it works for both of them and it can happen to both of them. And let's get started. So the first thing we need to do is, if you have access to Windows here, if you can access your Windows, go here to start. If you don't have access, I will show you right now, but I will show you if you have access to the Windows. And here on search, we're gonna search for reset. And then here we click on this reset this PC. This will not delete any applications or data from your hard disk or SSD, so don't worry. Now we click this here on the advanced startup. We hear this restart now, and you just have to save your work. If you have anything going on, just save and click on restart now, and we're gonna wait for it to finish restarting the PC. Now if you cannot get to the Windows desktop, then you need to power down your PC by holding the power button and then let it shut down, and then you again press the power button to turn it on. And then as soon as it turns on and you see the logo of the Windows, then you just press again and hold the power button of your PC, and then it will force restart, and then again you power it on, and again when you see the Windows logo again, you hold the power button and let it forcefully restart, and then you have to do that 3 times and you will get to this window right here, and you will get this advanced startup, all of these options right like I have it here. And then after you get to all of this, you have all of these options. So we need to click here on troubleshoot, and then we click here on advanced options. So the first, we're gonna click on this startup repair here, the first option, and we're gonna let it restart your PC and see if it repairs. If it does not repair, then again come back to these advanced options. If the first option didn't work, we click on this command prompt and we're gonna type the first command. All the commands will be displayed here on the video, so in case you don't see the commands. So the first command is boot rec, then space / fix mbr, press and enter. And then the next one is boot rec space / fix boot. And then the next command is boot is space then /nt 60 and then space sys and press and enter. And then we're gonna type again another command, boot rec / fix boot, and then boot again, one more command, boot rec then space / rebuild, and we press and enter again. And now one more command is sfc space / scan now, and press and enter. And we're gonna wait for this to begin scanning our system. So we're gonna wait for this to finish, and it will take some time, and we're gonna wait for this to finish. Now after the SFC scan has been finished, then you will see there is a message that after you restart your PC, you need to restart your PC to complete, but we need to do one more command, which is chkdsk and then space C and 2 dots, and we press and enter. And again, we need to wait for this to finish. Just wait for this to finish and we will continue with the video. And everything has been finished, and after this finished, you can go and exit from here, and then we go here, and then we go here to continue to Windows 11 or Windows 10, and there should be no more blue screen errors. So that's pretty much it, how you can fix it. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and it was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Bye.